Imagine a clock that has been ticking for 4.6 billion years. At its center sits a powerhouse of nuclear fire, the sun born from a collapsing cloud of stardust. This yellow dwarf holds 99% of our system's entire mass. It isn't just a ball of fire. It's a chemical factory of hydrogen and helium, laced with traces of iron and neon. Though we've looked at it since the dawn of time, we only truly understood its stellar nature in the 1800s. From where you stand on Earth, it is a staggering 93 million miles away, a distance so vast that its light takes 8 minutes just to reach your eyes. Closest to the heat is Mercury, a scorched world of iron and silicate rock. Discovered by the Sumerians 5,000 years ago, it sits 48 million miles from us, surviving where others would melt. Next, we encounter Venus, our evil twin. Hidden under toxic clouds, its surface is a hellscape of basalt and volcanic silicates. It is our closest neighbor, just 25 million miles away. Then, there is home, Earth, 4.5 billion years old and perfectly balanced with oxygen, iron, and magnesium. Just beyond us lies Mars, the red planet. Since ancient times, its crimson hue has fascinated us, a color caused by a surface smothered in iron oxide or simple rust. At 140 million miles away, it remains our next great frontier. Crossing the asteroid belt, we meet Jupiter, the king of planets. Older than the Earth, this giant is a swirl of metallic hydrogen and clouds of ammonia. Earth's silent protector. Discovered by Galileo's telescope in 1610, it looms 365 million miles from our doorstep. Further out, the jewel of the solar system, Saturn. Famous for its rings of ice and rock, it is a sphere of hydrogen and helium gas. To reach it from Earth, you'd have to travel 746 million miles. Then, the darkness grows cold. We find the ice giants. Uranus, discovered by William Herschel in 1781, is a tilted world of water, ammonia, and methane ices. And finally, Neptune, found not by sight, but by mathematics in 1846. It is a frozen blue world nearly 3 billion miles away from Earth. But our story doesn't end at the 8 official planets. Deep in the shadows lies Pluto, discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. Though reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, its mystery remains. It is a frozen landscape of nitrogen and methane ice, sitting 3.6 billion miles away. It is the gatekeeper to the great unknown. Now, we reach the true edge, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. Here, trillions of icy remnants from the birth of our system float in the dark. This is the graveyard of comets, a shell of frozen minerals and ancient gases stretching nearly 2 light-years into the void. We are a tiny, vibrant island in a sea of infinite silence. 4.6 billion years old, and we've only just begun to see what's out there. Our voyage continues. Thanks for watching.